Listen, throughout the month, we're going to be coming with so many dynamic topics. And so just hold your seat and just tune in every Wednesday and also every Monday. We're going to be hitting this thing hard for the month of May.
I was talking with my colleagues earlier that, I never could understand someone bumped into you and now you done stabbed them, or, they stepped on your shoe. Now you fighting them. And recently in the Bronx, there was a 69-year-old man who's standing too close to somebody. The guy beats him up. And we're like, well, why do they do that? Well, why do they do that? Because these are the hidden behaviors that are ignored.
And so the burden is also on our adolescents. I'm not sure if you have noticed, but there are more and more young people committed suicide. There are more and more young people who are in fights at school. There are more and more young people bullying other people, school shootings, all these things are going on. But it's estimated in 2021 that 49.5% of adolescents had a mental health disorder.
Or the person is saying, one, I don't know why I did it. Or two, I felt like doing it, right? Because everything is a feeling.
If you are an individual and your behaviors begin to change, it is to your best interest that you do not isolate yourself.
Yes.
Aware of your own behaviors and the changes, but also pay attention to what others are saying. Because sometimes
that's good.
It could be so subtle, right? And you can be in it so much that you don't even realize that you've shifted or you changed. But other people can say, you know what, you've been real moody.